Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com, Cronos coin, and where are we going from here. The markets took a little bit of a spill over the weekend given the recent event that happened in Colorado where the Fed spoke about inflation again, and Fed Chair Jerome Powell once again came creeping in and crashed the market. So that's what happened over the weekend. But we got a little bit of a pump this morning. What can we expect through the remainder of the week and into the next year? We're going to talk about that more in today's video. If you guys like the content, make sure you smash your like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out in the YouTube algorithm when you guys do subscribe. Plus, it makes sure you guys can stay up to date with our content. We're doing 3 videos every single day for you guys because that's the way we like to do it here at the Crypto Report. Without further ado, let's just hop into the content, huh? We'll check out the market. Crypto currently coming in under $1 trillion for market cap. Again, Bitcoin and Ethereum holding strong at their respective percentages of the market. Bitcoin got back above $20,000 today, which is good because last night we dipped down to low 19,000. I think we even touched into the 18,000 region last night. And Ethereum was struggling with the lower 1,400 level. But we're back above $1,500 today for Ethereum, which is great to see. Cronos coin holding strong as well at about 12 cents, right? We're down a little bit. We were at 15 cents for a while, but we kind of came peeling right back down, which is okay because we're staying in line with Bitcoin. Well, what happens next in the crypto markets? Well, that kind of depends on the rest of the market as a whole. A little bit depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Also, keeping in mind that the FOMC still has a couple meetings before the end of the year, which means more discussions about inflation, which means more potential bearish pull downs unless some good news comes out and the Fed gets a little less hawkish. So that's something important to keep in mind. Also, very important to note, traditionally, September is, not a very great month for crypto or the regular market just as it is. September is usually pretty bearish, pretty red, but who knows? Everybody's kind of expecting a bearish September. That means there is a chance that all of a sudden we're going to have a freak pump here in September. Just when you think you know what's going to happen, the opposite most of the time seems to happen. At least that's how it feels as a trader sometimes. So let's just take a peek here at the first of all, at the DeFi ecosystem. Let's just take a peek here and remind you guys where we're sitting today. Currently, Cronos coin is ranked number 8 in total value locked up. It's the 8th largest DeFi play, which is huge news. Cronos coin is a big deal. Crow has a lot of great DeFi projects, a lot of great DEXs that are currently offered on the DeFi app. Maybe you've heard them: VVS Finance, Tectonic, Finance. There's a lot of them, and they're really great. And right now, there's currently about $894 million locked up in the Cronos ecosystem. So that's a positive, right? Another thing to note: Crypto.com is the king of partnerships right now. Look at all these partners they have here, from the NFL to racing, the F1 racing. You can see the huge logo there. You can see the UFC. You can see, I think there was a volleyball tournament. There's soccer leagues, right? They're getting involved in Qatar. You can see the list of partners right here. The Crypto.com arena, which we all know about. FIFA World Cup, we've talked about that on the channel. F1 racing, UFC, the 76ers, right? So when you go over and you check out the Twitter as well for Crypto.com, you'll see actually they're celebrating James Harden's birthday. So he is one of the star players of the 76ers, sporting the Crypto.com logo, and they're making sure they're doing a great job, by the way, on social media. One of the strongest exchanges actually right now, getting social interaction on social media. I was looking at that early today. Really leading the way for all the exchanges, having some of the best metrics right now in terms of engagement across social media. So kudos to Crypto.com for this. And part of the reason might be because they have such excellent sponsorships with the NBA, James Harden, and the 76ers. That's a big deal. So kudos to them on that. Wanted to show you guys that right there. Also, again, you'll see these Crypto.com banners at these Formula One races, which is great to see. Recently, a negative that came out, the crypto.com institutional side, actually their derivatives trading platform was down for a bit, but on a positive note, they were able to fix it. So the full functionality has been restored and you can resume trading. And they did that, you can see 21 hours ago, 19 hours ago. They did it very quick. Within about an hour or two, they were able to get this turned around and fixed. So, development team's doing a great job in keeping all ships afloat, up and running, even when there's little issues on the chain. So that's great to see. But, they've got a lot of great community engagement, currently with 2.5 million followers on Twitter, and they're doing a lot. Where does Crypto.com coin go from here? Well, when you think about it, James Harden on the 76ers, they got that going for them. They've recently got some network upgrades that happened where they actually improved their, some of the coins that they offer. They also recently improved their DeFi desktop wallet, which is great, which is going to be really big for them, right? There's a lot of competitors out there in the space, MetaMask being one of them. Could Crypto.com DeFi wallet compete with MetaMask? It's certainly possible. A lot of people have some complaints about MetaMask and some of the security in the past. That being said, it is very successful. It's had a lot of success. So, that's quite a tall order. But Crypto.com has dipped their toe into many different parts of the market. From DeFi to NFTs to Web3 and the metaverse. They're doing a fantastic job. One thing too I want to show you guys, actually, I'm going to take you over to the website for Crypto.com again. When you look at their products that they're doing, they have a big focus on Web3, which is why I do think we're going up. The answer to the question, where does Cronos Coin go from here? The answer, it's up, folks. We're going to go up, and it's going to be happening over time. But if you're in Crypto.com coin and you're in CRO Coin, you better be here for the long haul because we got a long road ahead, right? A bear market is still upon us right now. That's still something that we're dealing with every single day. So that's a reality, but they're focused on the right things. Look at the Web3 calling they've got. Find your calling, explore roles. So they're offering employment for folks trying to build out Web3. They go through their vision of what they're trying to do, and they're really trying to get a good team going, describing how it is to work with them, and they're empowering their employees. So, there's been some recent news about layoffs as of late. They might be laying off folks in one segment of what they're offering for careers, at least, while they're still trying to hire more for the Web3 and move into the future of crypto, as we know that crypto adoption is coming. Another thing I want to highlight for you guys, when you do check out some of the partners they have, look at what they say here. Reaching out to the next billion users with the world's best partners. Keep this in mind. They've only got 50 million users right now. If Crypto.com's user base goes to a billion users, well, that is a 20x on the amount of users that they have. Does that mean a 20x for the coin of Crypto.com? Really, in my mind, it's not a matter of when will Crypto.com 10x, 20x, 50x. It's a matter of, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, really. That's what we're looking at. So the name of the game here for us folks is patient. We got to be strong. We got to be conscious of these dips. Take advantage of the opportunity to buy these low prices. A 12-cent CRO is fantastic. A 5-cent CRO could happen. A 10-cent CRO coming back, it's likely, especially with a bearish September that we might see, might not, hope not. I did a video yesterday about how I want to make sure that CRO holders are not missing out on crypto, on other coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I want to be very clear that if you're a Crypto.com holder and you don't have Bitcoin and Ethereum, you might want to consider getting some. But I'm never at any point saying dump all your CRO and buy Bitcoin and Ethereum with it. I just want to make sure we're all keeping in mind that there's a lot of great projects out there. There's obviously your top projects. There's the strong potential growth projects, right? Like Crypto.com. And there's even some smaller ones, right? Like rank number like 75 right now is Zilliqa is a great example of a smart contract play that could be a good competitor or at least complement to Ethereum one day. A lot more risk in that, but a lot more upside. So, guys, hang in there. Make sure you're taking advantage of these great buying opportunities that we have. hang in there because October is traditionally bullish. So if you buy the dip in September, you might turn around and be, in the green in October, November, December, towards the end of the year. That's all I got in today's video. If you guys like the content, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. As always, guys, do not forget to DCA HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. By the way, I got 2 more videos for you guys right here if you want to continue around and check out the rest of the content. Also, we are currently doing a giveaway of $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to 1 lucky subscriber. When we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. If you want an additional entry on top of your subscription entry, you can do so. Get an extra entry there by signing up for Freepik using the link in the description down below, where if you do sign up and open a trade, you can get up to a $4,100 bonus by doing so. So check that out as well. That's all I got. Have a great night.